Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a hot summer day, so who wants to do their hair when it's this hot? So I decided to do these passion twists so I can give my hair a little bit of a break, but still look good. You know, I don't have to do my hair, I don't have to do really much. I can put it up, it'll look cute in a bun. And yeah, it still is a protective hairstyle because when it's so hot and so humid, like, I don't think no amount of gel could really help my hair. Okay, so in order to prep your hair for getting your hair in twists, because you want to make sure that your hair is hydrated, that it's super moisturized, that it's gonna last you for however long you're gonna keep this in your hair, and yeah, that it's super flexible, because you know, we don't want to create breakage. This is supposed to be a protective hairstyle, so you want it to benefit you. So what I did was I washed my hair, I co-washed, since I washed my hair 3 days ago before that, and with shampoo and conditioner and all that stuff. So I co-washed using Jason. It's from the brand Jason. I got it from Marshall's, and it's like it's a co-wash, but it feels like it's lathering, but it's not. It's a conditioning cleanser, and it feels really good. It makes your hair soft and clean. So then I put on the hair mask with the avocado. I had a rotten avocado, so I took advantage of that and didn't just throw it out, put it in my hair. So yeah, so then after that I left it in my hair for 30 minutes, and then after that I rinsed it off. But what I noticed was when I rinsed it off, if you do decide to do an avocado mask, it's hard to get those little pieces out of your hair. So it's, especially when you just mash it with a fork. So if you want, you could blend it. I just didn't want to waste too much product and it's quicker to just use a fork. But if you do just use a fork, you might find some little pieces of the strings part of the avocado. So I had to rinse my hair again when I saw it, and I used some conditioner. So some conditioner, I rinsed it through, and it helped get everything out. And then I started applying my products. So I used the product moisture for the leave-in, which is a lightweight leave-in, because I always feel like I need a leave-in no matter what. Then I comb through my hair to make sure that it's super untangled, and then I use the microfiber towel to just remove any excess water. I left it in my hair for about like 5 to 10 minutes, squeezed out that extra water before I went in with the products that I was going to be using. And then I went in with a styling cream and like a gel, but this is called the main choice. This is the pearly braid out glaze from the Tropical Moringa. It smells amazing. I absolutely love this. It leaves your hair so shiny, so moisturized. Like, you need this in your life, like especially if you love doing braid outs, twist outs, even for updos. Like, this is super hydrating, super shiny. It just looks really good, and it says it's infused with biotin. Yeah, so then I used the styling cream and the gel. I did this all before applying my twist, because I just wanted to prep my hair and I didn't want to do it with my hair wet. And another thing, it's not necessary, it does take some more time. I twist my natural hair first before I put on the passion twists. So one, I feel like it prepares my hair. It's already in the same style, the same state as the hair that I'm putting on my head, and mixing it in, I feel like it mixes better. It's easier to apply because everything is already sectioned off. When you have the twist, you just put it right in the middle and you twist it, and it just feels like it's a lot easier to do it this way. And now that my hair is dried, well, for the most part it's purely dry because I slept with it like that overnight, I feel that you can see what your final results will look like, so you don't have to wait until your hair dries in the twist and to see what it looks like. So I really like that, and your hair is already stretched, so that is a plus for me. Yeah, and then so I slept with it overnight, and when I woke up in the morning, man, my hair was shiny, shiny, moisturized. It was thriving. So I really love the Made Choice hair products. And then yeah, I feel like it made my process today, like to do my hair, it took me like about, I'd say 3 hours to do the hair, and usually it takes me like 4 hours and maybe a little bit more, but I feel like at the time went by a lot quicker. You know, it was a lot easier to do. I had much more grip in my hair, so it was easier to like put it on because I did have that gel and the braid out gel, so that really helped. So yeah, and then that was it.